Welcome to my channel. This is Naira Fernandez and I'm going to show you how to make the ombre cake. Today I'm going to make green ombre cake. Ombre cake is a cake which has different layers of colors. It's like darker down and then lighter as we go on, and on top we have a white sponge. It's frosted with the colors. So I'm going to show you the cake. Okay, to start with, here we have 250 grams of plain flour, 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar, 60 ml of milk, and a highly concentrated green color. I'm going to make a green ombre cake today. And we have got 3 eggs and we have got 5 balls in which I'm going to distribute the color. So in one I'm going to make a darker color, and in rest I'm going to make it lighter as I go. And here I have got the tin which I have already greased and kept for baking. So today I'm going to show you how to mix the colors. So we will start by mixing the colors. So in a ball, all the 5 balls, we are going to distribute this 60 ml of milk. Little, because we are going to make 5 different layers for the cake with different colors, with different layers of colors. So in one I'm going to make more of green, and then a little lesser, a little more lighter, and one we are going to keep plain. So we have plain here, we have little lighter, lightest, lighter, and this is the darkest what we have. Okay, so now we are going to start by making the batter of the cake. In a bowl we are going to take butter and beat it till it's pale and fluffy. Now we will add our sugar and beat it well till we get a fluffy mixture. Now we'll add into our eggs. Once the eggs are added, we are going to beat it again. And now we are going to add our flour. Scrape off the sides and beat it again. And now last we are going to add into our vanilla extract and beat it for the last time. One more round and it's done for baking. So now we are going to distribute it by putting colors in it. We are going to put eyeball the same quantity of batter in all the 5 balls.
and we will bake each layer.
Now while our cakes are getting baked, we are going to make our buttercream, vanilla buttercream. Into this I'm going to add 250 grams of butter, and I'm going to beat it well until it turns pale in color. Now our butter had changed pale in color, and now I'm going to add in my powdered sugar. 450 grams of powdered sugar. I'm going to add little by little and beat it until we get a nice smooth mixture. Now to get the perfect consistency, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We are going to scrape off the sides. So that we don't find the lump of sugar in that. See how lovely is it? And now our buttercream is ready. Now we are going to distribute it in different colors, like how we did with our cake batter. So we are going to do this only 3 colors of this. That is 1 plain white color of the buttercream, and rest 2 1 little lighter green, and then the next one is a darker green. So we are going to now start decorating our cake.
Now once our buttercream is ready, I'm going to put it into 2 balls and color each ball of cream. One is darker and one is little lighter, and the rest I'm going to keep white. I'm going to fill in my piping bag with all 3 colors at one time, with the lighter, white, light and the dark color. And I'm going to keep it aside till I decorate my cake. So I'm going to put little batter on my cake board. The first layer, I have scraped the sides of my layers of my cake so that the caramelization is cut and you can see the colors well. My family prefers to eat less cream. We are really not fond of too much of cream. You can add more buttercream in between each layer.
Now I have layered my cake. See, like this, dark, light, lighter, and a white sponge. And now I'm going to give it a crumb coat and chill it for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to decorate my cake.
My cake is out of the oven and now I'm going to decorate it. I have put some leftover icing in the piping bag with a tip on it, star tip on it, and I'm going to dollop some flowers on it. Once I'm done with my icing, I'm going to sprinkle my leftover cake the crumbs of my cake, and now here my cake is ready. The layers are so wonderful, it's so moist. Please subscribe to my channel.